Dentures, also known as dental prosthetics, are removable replacements for missing teeth and surrounding tissues. They are commonly used in dentistry to restore oral functionality and aesthetics for individuals who have lost their natural teeth. Dentures can be classified into two main types. Complete dentures, these are used when all the teeth are missing in either the upper, maxillary, or lower, mandibular, arch, or both. Complete dentures consist of a full set of artificial teeth mounted on an acrylic base that resembles gum tissue. The base is custom made to fit the patient's mouth and is held in place by suction, oral muscles, and denture adhesives. Partial dentures, these are used when some natural teeth remain in the mouth. Partial dentures consist of replacement teeth attached to a metal or acrylic framework, which clasps onto the remaining natural teeth to hold the denture in place. Partial dentures help fill the gaps created by missing teeth, improve chewing ability, and prevent the remaining teeth from shifting. The process of getting dentures typically involves several steps. Dental examination: the dentist will examine your mouth, take X-rays, and evaluate your oral health to determine the best treatment option. Impressions: accurate impressions of your jaws and any remaining teeth are taken to create a custom-fit denture. Wax try-in: a wax model of the denture is created to ensure proper fit, appearance, and bite. Adjustments can be made at this stage to achieve the desired outcome. Final denture fabrication: the denture is fabricated based on the approved wax model, using materials that closely resemble natural teeth and gum tissue. Fitting and adjustments: once the final denture is ready, it is placed in your mouth, and the dentist makes any necessary adjustments to ensure a comfortable fit and proper alignment. Post-placement care: the dentist will provide instructions on how to care for your dentures, including proper cleaning techniques and regular check-ups to ensure they continue to fit well and function correctly. It's important to note that while dentures can greatly improve chewing ability and restore the appearance of a natural smile, they may require a period of adjustment. Speaking and eating may feel different initially, but most people adapt to dentures over time. If you are considering dentures or have specific concerns about your dental health, it is advisable to consult a qualified dentist who can provide personalized advice and treatment options tailored to your needs. Dentures, also known as dental prosthetics, are removable